Well, congratulations. We've reached the end of our course. Once you've submitted your final report, you can then proceed to the Unit 7 module, which contains the exam essay. And for the exam essay, you will format it as a memo with an introduction, body, and conclusion that discusses your experience and learning in the class. And a successful assignment will discuss your learning and process in completing the assignments. And it really shouldn't be about me or my approach at all. It's really all about you. With that being said, please do fill out the instructor evaluation and critique my performance. But this exam essay should be all about your performance and what you did to learn, improve, and be successful in the class. And so the prompt says, compose a reflective memo with introduction, body, and conclusion, centering on your course experience. Successful essays will discuss, and this is important, successful essays will discuss specific terms, concepts, activities, and other elements of the course. So examples of terms are resume, topic sentence, unified paragraph, memo, figures, charts, things of that nature that came from the modules that you can cite as terms. And we'll just include as terms, and if you want to bold those terms in your memo to make sure I see them, you can. And your writing should use a lot of terms as you discuss the concepts from the course. And on the content, using examples is critical, right? When you talk about the different assignments or terms that you learned, give examples as to how you put those into practice in your study and then composition and completion of our assignments and exercises, discussion boards, and quizzes. And so the units we went through are what is technical communication, employment correspondence, the technical definition and description, the group project film review, and then the main project informative report, which specifically was instructed as a recommendation report to give it direction and to match our course textbook. You need to have an organization with a brief introduction that previews the body and establishes your purpose for writing. You should have unified body paragraphs that move through the class and discuss your learning using terms, and then a conclusion that reminds and reinforces the purpose of your reflective memo and closes by considering your audience, who in this case is me. And so the format should be as a memo. It should be neat and professional and follow the basic guidelines for memo format that we've learned. The grammar is extremely important. The writing must conform to principles learned in the class, clear and concise, primarily one actor, one action, using transitions frequently, and limiting personal pronouns and clutter words. Frequent commas, fragments, and run-on sentences, along with other grammatical problems, such as misspellings, can result in a low grade on this exam essay. So you want to take your time and revise and proofread your final exam. And don't rush it and just submit it. Give it several reads to turn it in. And this will need to be turned in by the end of Thursday, the last week of class. And after that time, I will grade your final exam and remaining work and post your final grade to Blackboard should be before the end of Saturday, that last week of class. So to close this video, I want to say I really enjoyed working with you. I respect and admire the hard work that you put into the class, and I think great things are in store for you in the future due to your commitment to getting an education and doing an excellent job in this class. So I just wish you the best and take care.